Welcome back. You're watching Business Day.
Let's start with the Indian rupee first, which hit a 7-week low today morning, weighed by losses in domestic shares, which raised concerns of more foreign fund withdrawals. The rupee has since then rebounded after the stock markets recouped some of those losses, ending the day in the green. At this point in time, of course, we still have an hour of the trade to go, and prices the currency has stabilized at around 45.53 right now. The dollar index, meanwhile, is trading higher as well against the basket of currencies. Remember, we did see levels almost touching 78 yesterday, but 78.55 at this point in time. The euro also has slipped against the dollar as weaker global shares stifle appetite for high-risk currencies. We did see euro at around 1.3550, nearly that level, but at this point in time, inching below 1.35. Well, the investors, of course, have booked profit on the higher sides. The euro did go up to nearly 4-month highs yesterday, but at this point in time, a bit of profit taking, as I said, in the European market. Chatting currencies with us today is Pramit Brahmbhatt. He is CEO of Alpari Forex, and he joins us right here in our Mumbai studios. Pramit, hi, welcome to the show. Let's start with the Indian rupee first, and we did see levels like 45.65 and beyond that in the markets today. Some amount of coming back, but how would you want to trade it now?
Well, what we have seen today is the effect of Indian market, stock market is tumbling from last 1 week. It is also an effect from the dollar is strengthening against the major currencies, so it's a dual effect. Now the long-term effect will be coming from the domestic stock market rather than the dollar strengthening against the other currencies. So it will be important to see that how far that Indian stock market is going to go down, because as you said that FIIs are pulling the funds out, and that is causing the concern here. But it seems that the dollar is going to remain stronger against rupee, and we will see the range of 46 as well.
But are you bending more towards 46, or do you think some more appreciation could come in?
Looking at the existing condition, and the experts from the stock market say the market is going to remain on the weaker side. So which is not making a sense that the dollar is going to get weaker, and there won't be more funds coming in from FII, so that can keep the rupee under the check and closer to 46 level.
All right. Are you surprised by the moves that the euro has been making? Because did you expect 1.35 and levels beyond?
No, that's a surprising move, because if you see the dollar against all the other currencies, dollar is getting stronger, but against the euro is getting weaker. That is more to do with the euro rather than the dollar itself, because after the news from the Chinese economy is going to cool down due to the higher growth rate, that has affected the dollar in a way, they strengthened the dollar, but it has not affected euro. So it means the euro is getting stronger and is not having any effect of the Chinese economy.
And how about the Chinese yuan? As you mentioned, we have seen some very positive data come out of that area. How would you look at the yuan and the economy going forward?
Well, as we have keep seeing that the Chinese economy is keeping well from last 1.5 years, and there are some obstacles coming in middle, but it's not something very major thing. So yuan is going to remain stronger, but we have to see that how much effect of that actually coming in the appreciation of the currency. That is more important.
Sure. My final question to you is on dollar index, and that seems to be really choppy. Are you betting towards 77 now?
Very unlikely, looking at how the dollar has done against the major currencies today, but we have to see how euro and the Japanese yen is affected due to that global weakness, especially the weakness in the Asian market.
All right, Pramit, let you go at that. Thank you so much for stopping by. So rupee might see some more depreciation in coming days, while dollar index is expected to be supportive in the coming few sessions. On this segment of Currency Call, thank you for watching. Business Day coming up.